Hey guys, in today's video we'll be taking a look at my new Google Pixel Watch 2. So I've had this for about 2 weeks now, and I thought I'd make this video just to share my thoughts on it with you in case you're thinking about getting one. So we'll jump into a quick unboxing and then we'll take a bit of a tour of the watch and I'll show you a few of the features it has. And yes, so let's get into the video. So to get your new Pixel Watch set up, all you need to do is press and hold the bezel on the top to turn it on for the first time. And then once it's on, you want to jump over to your phone and make sure you have the Google Pixel Watch app installed on your phone. My Pixel 8 Pro already had it installed on there, but if you have any other Android phone, all you have to do is go to the Google Play Store and search for the Pixel Watch app and then just install that to your phone. And then all you do is follow the prompts on your watch and it's super quick and easy to get it set up. I also did just want to mention that you will need to install the Fitbit app if you want to use the health features on your watch. So you can just get this from the Google Play Store and it comes in a free version. That's what I use. Or if you're really into your health and fitness, they also do offer a premium plan. It gives you a lot more features. Okay, so now let's take a closer look at the watch. So when you take your watch off, it will actually lock so nobody can access anything on your watch. So you can just sort of swipe up, put your pin in, and then that'll unlock. So when you go to put it on your wrist, you will need to unlock it each time. And then once it's on your wrist, it'll stay unlocked the whole time. And then when you take it off, it will lock. So this is the watch face I'm using. I like this one because it shows my steps, the weather, and my heart rate. And it also displays the day and the date. To change your watch face, you just press and hold, and you can either customize it or pick a different one. And you can also do this on the Pixel Watch app on your phone and customize it all from there as well. It's a little bit easier to do it on your phone. So you get back to the home screen, you can just press this button here and that will take you back to the home screen. Okay, I've just put it on my wrist because it keeps locking. So yeah, if we swipe down from the top, here is all the quick settings. And this is where you can see how much battery you have left on your watch. You can access the settings, you can turn the sound off, do not disturb, airplane mode, all of that. And you also have access to your Google Home, which is really cool. And then you just press this on the side and that will take you back to the home screen. If you swipe across on the side, this is where you can access all of your apps that you have. So you can flick through and have a look at them, and that's completely customizable. So if you swipe across and click and hold, you can add other widgets by hitting the add button and then go through and add anything to that. If you swipe up from the bottom, this is where all your notifications will be. If you swipe on this side, it'll also just show you all of the applications, again just going in the opposite direction. So just like that. It's a bit hard to see, but there's a button just up here, and if you press that, this opens all your most recent apps. And then you can also go all apps right here, and you can use this little bezel on the side to scroll through all the menus, or you can also swipe with your finger. That's pretty much it. What I like about this watch, it's very simple. Like, it's still, you can install all the apps you want to do certain things, but for me, I mainly just like to have the watch to have a look at my notifications. And you can go into your settings and control all of your notifications that you want to come in. I set up my notifications using the Pixel Watch app on my phone. It was just a little bit easier to do, but you can go in here. I don't like to have all my phone apps sending notifications to my watch. I just sort of like phone calls, messages, and some social media stuff. So you can go in here and control all of that. So as for the battery is really good on this. I have the always on display on all the time. So you can see it's just faded out a little bit here. So whenever I look over to my wrist, I can see what the time is. Can turn that off to save battery. So you would have to turn your wrist like that for it to pop on so you can see the watch face. But I have mine on, and I usually put my watch on at about 7 a.m. in the morning, and I'll probably take it off anywhere from 7 to 8 p.m. at night time, and my battery sits around 60%. So I reckon I would get almost 2 days. But I do just take it off at night time to charge. And when I was just testing with the always on display turned off, I was getting a full 2 days battery life, which is really good. The other thing I also like about this is it's not chunky, it's really like lightweight and like slim, so it doesn't stick out too much on your wrist, which is nice. So overall, I've really been loving this watch. It fits on my wrist really nicely. The battery life is great on it, and it's really easy to use, and I haven't had any issues with it at all so far. So yeah, if you're looking to get a new watch, I can highly recommend this one, as I've been loving it so far. If I start to have any issues with it or anything, I'll leave them in the comments below or in the description. But so far, I've been loving this watch. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it useful. Make sure you go check out my other videos here and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.